Vegas, took a plane to where the skyline canyoned. Never slept with a strange man who'd been to Thailand. Never spoke with girls in black whose skin smelled of crushed flowers. My mother never walked this trip alone. She never saw the smiling dolphins, light show fountains, Caesar's palace, never caught volcanoes sparking cone. Heard crowd, it's coming! Shh! It's gonna explode! Before it did. They say my mother used to be a mountain goat in Europe. Now her daughter's sitting, blanketed in leaves before 4 arches, thorn-red branches. Arches bring good luck, she thought her mother told her, talking about France. Her mother had missed her chance. Misread the landmarks, fortune never guaranteed. For years the daughter had sanctified McDonald's, beatified the curves of broken trees, false idols. What luck she had, she doubted came from them. My mother never went to Asia, took her path to often-beaten skies. She never sunk her head in fountains, never drowned in orchid petals arches, never picked zucchini fields or sang into the tables, never loved to whisper, shh, shh. Mother never daughter, cruised the false canals inside the hotel malls, or strolled the plastered Paris, never tried on fur designer, never stayed for free or ate for free or rode the coaster, never slept inside a pyramid of rats, or held the girl man, smelled their Thailand petal skin.
Oh.